Famous Bulabunaka and Mori. Shalom Aleichem. Today I'll be giving a brief introduction on generative AI. So generative artificial intelligence, open parenthesis, AI, close parenthesis, is a powerful type of artificial intelligence that can create new original content and ideas, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Unlike traditional AI that primarily analyzes existing data or follows explicit rules, generative AI learns patterns from massive datasets and using that knowledge to produce novel outputs in response to a user's prompt. How it works. Generative AI uses machine learning models, primarily large models trained on vast amounts of data, such as billions of words or millions of images. The core sources involves there's three. Firstly is learning patterns. The model analyzes large datasets to understand underlying patterns, structures, and relationships within the data. Secondly is predictive generation. When given a prompt, the model uses what it has learned to predict and assemble the most likely next word, pixel, or sound in a sequence, ultimately forming coherent and relatively new content. Thirdly and lastly is model types. Key model architectures driving generative AI include generative adversarial networks, or GANs, or variational autoencoders, VAEs. Most notably today, transformer-based models like T and GBT, generative pre-trained transformer. Common applications. Generative AI is transforming various industries, automating creative tasks, and boosting productivity. Common use cases include firstly is content creation, drafting articles, stories, marketing copy, and social media posts in minutes. Secondly is art and design, generating unique images out from text descriptions. Example, DALL-E, Midjourney. Close parenthesis, comma, designing architectural floor plans and creating prototypes. Thirdly is software development. Assisting developers by generating code snippets, translating between programming languages, and debugging applications. Fourthly is customer service, powering human-like conversational agents and chatbots to provide personalized and immediate responses to consumer inquiries. And lastly is science and medicine, accelerating drug discovery by proposing novel molecular structures and creating synthetic medical data for research. It comes with benefits and limitations. The benefits include increased efficiency, enhanced creativity for automated brainstorming, the ability to personalize experiences at scale. The limitations and challenges include the potential for hallucinations, producing convincing but false information, risk of bias inherited from training data, and ongoing ethical concerns regarding intellectual property and misuse. Example, deepfakes. Human oversight remains essential to ensure accuracy and ethical use. Which AI generative apps use on the phone and computer? Many popular generative AI apps are available across both mobile, on iPhone and Android, and computer, Windows and Mac. Platforms generally accessible via dedicated apps and desktop clients or web browsers. How some widely used AI generated apps are categorized by the primary function. The general purpose AI assistants and chatbots. These tools can answer questions, generate text, summarize information. This is a basic coding task. Firstly is ChatGPT. This one on a chatbot. It's used for a wide variety of writing, brainstorming, and coding tasks. Platforms is a web browser, iPhone, and Android app. Secondly is a Microsoft Copilot. This is an AI companion generated Windows and is available on standalone app. Offers web research, writing help, and image generation using DALL-E. Platforms are Windows, Mac, web browser, iPhone, and Android. Thirdly is Google Gemini. This AI model provides conversational assistance, code generation, and image creation. Platforms is web browser, iPhone, and Android. Last is Claude. It's known for strong performance in detailed code generation and analysis of large documents. Platform is web browser, accessible on all devices. The next topic is AI image and art generators. Let's have a look. These apps turn description into unique visual art or assist with photo editing. First is Midjourney. This is known for producing high-quality artistic and realistic images. Platforms are primarily accessed via Discord and all devices, also the web interface. Secondly is Adobe Firefly. This is integrated with Adobe's Creative Suite. It's excellent professional quality images for design tasks, such as generating custom backgrounds. Platform is web browser available on Adobe desktop apps like Photoshop and mobile app. DALL-E 3 is known for its ability to create detailed and accurate images for precise text prompts. It's generated as ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. Platform is a web browser, also accessible via ChatGPT Copilot apps. And lastly is Wombo Dream. This is a user-friendly free app that generates surreal and unique art from text prompts available on mobile and web. Platform is iPhone, Android, and web browser. Next is AI writing assistants. These tools focus on improving text quality, grammar, and content generation for specific needs. Grammarly, this uses AI to correct grammar, writing errors, by style suggestions, and can generate full drafts. Platform is desktop, mobile, browser extension. And secondly is Notion AI. This is integrated into Workspace app. It helps with writing, summarizing, and organizing content within documents. Platforms, web browser, desktop app, iPhone, and Android. Next segmentation is AI coding assistants. These tools help developers write, debug, and complete code faster. Firstly is GitHub Copilot. This is an AI program that suggests code functions in real time. Platforms created various desktops as IDEs, integrated development environments like Visual Studio Code. Replit Agent. This is a browser-based tool that assists with code generation, debugging, and order completion across many languages. Platforms web browser, accessible on all devices. Next segmentation in my presentation is the benefits of using generative AI for work. So using generative AI in the workplace offers numerous benefits, primarily for boosting efficiency, enhancing creativity, and enabling smarter data-informed decision making. Key benefits: increase productivity and efficiency. Generative AI automates time-consuming and repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling, generating meeting summaries, and drafting reports. Automation allows employees to focus on high-value scheduled work, requires human insight, creativity, and critical thinking, which can result in significant time saving and higher throughput. Enhance creativity and innovation. AI serves as a collaborative partner of brainstorming, generating new ideas or designs that can rapidly introduce multiple concepts or creative variations. An example, design and writing help professionals overcome creative blocks, explore new directions faster than ever before. Secondly, is smart decision making. Generative AI tools can quickly process and analyze massive datasets to identify patterns, forecast trends, and provide actionable insights that will be difficult and impossible to detect manually. This allows business leaders and managers to take faster, more competent, and data-driven decisions. Cost and time reduction. By streamlining workflows, automating processes, and improving efficiency, generative AI helps businesses significantly lower operational costs and reduce waste. For example, in manufacturing, AI can optimize quality control, predict maintenance needs, minimize expensive downtime. Thirdly, improve customer experience. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries 24/7 with human-like personalized responses, reducing response times and improving service quality. It also enables highly personalized marketing campaigns and product recommendations based on customer behavior. We have a breather. Next, and second to last, is skill augmentation and development. Sorry, excuse me. Some coffee. Generative AI can assist less experienced workers by providing guidance, automated assistance, quickly closing performance gaps, and helping them upskill faster. It also helps experienced professionals be more effective by them to apply their expertise at a high level, using AI outputs as a starting point. And lastly, in segmentation is customization and personalization at scale. Businesses can use generative AI to tailor content, products, and services to individual preferences without extensive manual effort. A high degree of personalization enhances customer loyalty and engagement. And the next segmentation, the benefits of using generative AI for education. Generative AI offers significant benefits in education by creating personalized learning experience, freeing up time for teachers to focus on instruction, making education more accessible. Firstly, for students, personalized learning, AI systems can adapt the pace, content, and style of lessons for each student's unique needs and learning style. Tailored approach improves understanding and retention of material, leading to better academic outcomes. Secondly, in instance of poor feedback, students can receive immediate 24/7 help from AI-powered visual tutors or chatbots, which can answer questions, provide explanations, other hints, problem solving at any time. To my millennial, and applies to me. Enhance engagement through immersive technologies like VR, AR simulations, and gamified learning platforms. AI makes learning more interactive and engaging. For instance, students can conduct virtual science experiments, explore historical sites. Second to last, accessibility and inclusion. AI tools break down barriers for students with disabilities by providing features such as real-time language translation, speech-to-text, and screen readers, ensuring a more equitable learning environment for diverse populations. Lastly is improved creativity and research. AI can help students brainstorm ideas, structure essays, correct grammar, summarize text, allowing more critical thinking, and synthesis of information. For educators and administration, reduce administrative workload. Generative AI automates repetitive tasks such as grading objective assessments, managing student records, tracking attendance, scheduling. This frees up time for teachers to focus on teacher-student development, one-on-one mentoring, content, and lesson planning assistance. Teachers can use AI to generate special lesson plans, create diverse and customized educational materials, design quizzes, develop interactive presentations aligned with curriculum and standards. Data-driven insights, AI analyzes student performance data to provide educators with insights into learning patterns, identify students at risk for falling behind, assess the effectiveness of teaching strategies. And lastly, as professional development, AI can support teachers' continuous professional growth by recommending relevant sources and training tailored to their needs and interests. And the last topic I'll bring up, I think the last topic, is the benefits of using AI, generative AI, for theology. In theology and ministry, generative AI acts primarily as a powerful tool for research, administration, and outreach, rather than a source of spiritual authority itself. It benefits them by applying human effort and expanding access to religious resources. This is what I've been applying my social medias outlets. The benefits of using generative AI for theology: accelerated research and textual analysis. AI can analyze vast amounts of theology text, historical documents, and commentary in seconds, acting as an extremely fast research assistant. Linguistic studies, AI-driven tools enhance study of ancient biblical languages, Hebrew and Greek, providing instant translation and contextual analysis of word usage, helping scholars uncover deep nuances in the original text. Cross-referencing, it's efficiently cross-reference scripture, related passages, stored data, and diverse scholarly interpretations, saving countless hours of manual work. Content and communication systems, AI can streamline creation of materials for ministry and education. Student preparation helps participate some ideas, structure outlines, suggest illustrations, and refine arguments, but the human pastor remains responsible for the core message and spiritual depth. Administrative efficiency, brief tasks generated newsletters, bulletin reports, and email responses can be automated, freeing up administrators for more personal partial care. Enhanced accessibility and outreach, generative AI can break down barriers for religious education, community engagement, transaction. AI-powered translation tools make sermons, lessons, and spiritual resources accessible across different languages and cultural contexts, aiding global outreach and interdenominational dialogue. Personal guidance, AI chatbots can offer immediate private responses to individuals with faith-related questions, can provide for those who are seeking information security, limited religious resources, innovative educational tools, AI facilitating methods of theological education, interactive learning tools such as AI-generated imagery, biblical scenes, virtual reality, VR, tools of sacred sites can provide immersive and engaging learning experience for students. Critical thinking prompts, this limitation of bias for AI-generated context can serve as a starting point for critical reflection, encourage students to exercise their intellectual discernment, compare AI outputs, establish doctrine, and humanitive interpretation. Important caveats. Theological experts emphasize that AI should be used as discernment, not a substitute for human insight. Spiritual discernment and engagement is vital to maintain human oversight, to transparency and align human interpretation, to maintain the authenticity and integrity of faith practices, which I agree. And lastly, 10 reasons why you should use generative AI. Here are 10 compelling reasons why individuals and organizations should be generative, spreading productivity, creation, and problem solving. Firstly, massive productivity gains. Generative AI automates numerous time-consuming and repetitive tasks, from drafting emails, summarizing long documents, or generating reports, organizing data. This frees up significant human time for high-impact work. Secondly, is enhanced creativity and innovation. AI acts as a collaborative brainstorming partner, generating novel ideas, designing concepts, creative variation in seconds, helps break through creative blocks, explores new directions that can not be previously be considered. Instant access. Thirdly, is instant access to information and expertise. Instead of sifting through thousands of research results, you can ask AI to complex question, receive a simplified context aware, ultimately acting as a personal research assistant. Fourthly, personalization at scale. Businesses can use AI to tailor customer experiences, marketing campaigns, and educational materials to individual needs preferences efficiently, which improves engagement and satisfaction. 5. Faster decision making. AI can quickly process and analyze vast datasets, identify trends, forecast outcomes, provide data-driven insights, enabling better, faster, and strategic decisions. Sixth is accessibility and inclusion. AI tools reduce barriers for people with disabilities, providing essential features like real-time translation, speech-to-text, and descriptions to make information communications more equitable. Seventh is skill augmentation. General tools level the playing field by assisting junior employees with complex tasks, providing instant coding help, providing communication effectively, boosting the capabilities of the entire workforce. Eighth is cost and time efficiency. By streamlining workflows, automating content creation, minimizing human errors and administrative tasks, AI helps organizations significantly reduce operational costs and accelerate project timelines. Second to last is continuous learning support. AI tutors, learning tools, providing 24/7 personalized support and feedback, allowing users to learn new skills, troubleshoot problems, demand automation, code generation for developers. ASIS can write, debug, and translate code snippets, drastically speeding up software development lifestyle and reducing errors. That's my presentation on generative AI. So I encourage people to use generative AI, artificial intelligence.